Hey, what's up everyone, this is me Zain and welcome again another fresh video. And today you will going to see the usage of the Chat-GPT, the newer version, the 4.0. And now you can also use this the latest version 4.0 without purchasing or without paying a single thing. And I'm creating this ChatGPT tutorial for everyone because many of you already overwhelmed and they lost how to use ChatGPT properly, because there are many things like you open this ChatGPT, you created one account and you logged in, but you have something missed in between. But so in this video we'll see that how you can easily manage to engage to the chat gpt, and how we can easily generate prompts for the works. So basically I am a graphics designer and also lead video editor. So today I'm giving you the perspective of mine to usage of the chat gpt for the digital marketing and content creations. So let's go see. And here is the chat gpt look, the welcome back option, because I've recently logged out to show you guys how to log in as a new account. So you can see either you can create a new email address from here directly to sign up, but I completely recommend you to continue as a Google. It don't cost you any kind of time, so I prefer to continue with my Google account. So here it is, my default Google account. So let's see, sign in with the account and jump into it right away. Okay, so here is a input, text input, and here you will get the overview. It's a properly clean, and that's what I like most for the chat gpt, because it doesn't give you something matlab unconditional options. So you can see from this drop down you can also check the chat gpt plus, you can also upgrade the models, and here you can see the latest chat gpt for the everyday task. So how you can easily access the latest 4.0. So if you already logged in, you will see the ChatGPT 3.5 in the beginning. So make sure you go for the grade for everyday task. You selected the second option because only the second option you are available to use the 4.0 option. Okay, so basically it's a demo purpose and demo version, but you can also generate everything. So you can see how I can make sure and how I can tell you such things like you are able to use the 4.0, because you can see there are another option is called the attachment over there. You can also bring any kind of video images. You can ask gpt to explain the thing. So today I'm giving you the digital content and content creation look, how we guys use ChatGPT. Okay, mainly. So here's the ChatGPT, and from over the top left you can see there are different type of chats generated. These are my client projects. So you can see I have generated lot of stuffs over there, and also you can also create a new chat from this one option. So when you click one new chat option, it will bring this kind of open interface, and over there you can also edit which one you want to keep or want to delete it. Okay, so let's talk about the chat gpt, and let's start with a new prompt. Okay, so as a content creator, I would like to create one reel video, basically a snippet video for Instagram and Facebook social media. So my clients always demand there would be like a good design. So I have created with After Effects, but the main thing is the tagline. The attractive marketing lines are also required. So how you can do that? Just simply, if you're a beginner, you can start with the high. Basically if you already don't know much about that, so it's a beginner stuffs, like you can tell the high. Okay, and then you just simply write down what you need to do. So you have to write with some descriptive manner, and you need to also um, icon or symbolize stops to this meshing, because if you ask that ChatGPT that I need some taglines about this, so that ChatGPT wouldn't recognize this. So first you need to make sure you just selected this perfect text. So I'm now writing like I need some grabbing, and I need some attractive marketing tags. Okay, so first you need the criteria, the attractive marketing tags. Okay, these are the criterias. But about what? So you need to do for the on like luxury hotel bookings. So I have a client. That guy also wants many things, like he wants me to create a kind of a classy look, luxury style type of rooms video. So for that I need some marketing taglines. So basically I have added on luxury hotel bookings, so the customers will be more attract on the particular in the particular hotel. So now I'm giving you simply the enter and let this Chat-Gpt to work its own way. So you can see there are like 15 there are 15 points of generated things. The first one is indulge in opulence. Okay, it means like the kind of execute or luxurious kind of thing. Okay, then there are many more things like savor the splendor, elevate your stay. Okay, pamper yourself, whatever. Okay, so you can see that I have wrote like I need some attractive marketing tags, the tags you want to generate, like the thing you want to generate, the main content, and then on what one something like you were looking for. Like I'm looking for the luxury hotel booking tag, so I wrote it that, and that person or the chat gpt gives like that. So you can also change the model from here. You can see it's a 4.0. You were sure that you can easily access this latest model. It's a smart enough to compile this thing, and you can also make it like sounds more classy, feeling like luxury, and now you have to tell also the which matlab you need it for one line sentence or you need a whole descriptive way. So you can either go for the short text, then it will give you that only some kind of this. Okay, so this one, and if you go for the like that, you can also like go for the please describe the number one. So it will describe the whole thing. You can see the pure elegance awaits, and it will give you the full description of this. Okay, you can simply copy and paste it anywhere you like. And for another thing, the attachment thing. So if I go for the attachment thing, go for the pictures, and over there I will simply search for, these are my projects by the way. So let's search for it. Let's bring it here. So it's a kind of a social media post for advertisement basically. So I want it to create or generalize in simple way how we can easily remake this using Illustrator or Photoshop. So let me give some taglines like please generalize this in brief, how to create this on which software you would like to use, like Photoshop. Okay, so it will analyze the image, basically analyze the images properties, and then it will give you whole description, like you can create this post briefly from the beginning. So basically it will also use as a tool for the education also, so you don't need to go for any teaching stuffs like any institute to teach how for the social media and content creation. You can simply drag drop what you like to do. You can also attach one video. Okay, so if there is a video or not, let's see. We have to so yeah, it also picked the video. You can see the generates are completed. You can see there are a lot of things like orange, gradient, matches colors. Okay, so it's now uploading the video file. The minimum and the maximum size will be like 512 MB, so make sure you have the limited version. And then you can go for something either like which song is preferable, which song is preferred for this video, or this kind of video. Okay, this kind of video. So it will give you this kind of generates, like basically it analyzed in first place and then it will provide you these things. Okay, so basically with this help of the tool you can also edit your videos according to what AI thought about the whole perspective of the global opinion. So you can also fix the fillings according to the video, so you can analyze it easily. So it's the latest ChatGPT 4.0. I hope you like this video. If you do subscribe this channel. If you wish to subscribe, you'll get more videos regarding ChatGPT. So as a designer and content creation perspective, I gave you this idea to use ChatGPT as a tool. So don't depend on it much because it also snatched many people's jobs. So basically, yeah, it did it. So that's all for this video. If you do like this video for watching,